If you are looking to earn 2 to 300% more for the effort which you are going to do as a mutual fund distributor and earn 2 to 3 times additional revenue for the same effort, then this video is for you. Today I am going to discuss with you how by tinkering little bit into your business, you can get an undue advantage above your rivals. Hello everyone, I'm Shobit. I'm a Finbase growth expert and founder of Finbase Growth Club. We are an aspiring mutual fund distributor group who are determined to change how India invests. So let's understand how you can get more commission, more revenue for the advisory which you are going to do and get an advantage above your peers. To understand that, we need to first understand how you can get additional commission for the same effort. And the trick is, if you are going to get advisory done for the clients who are from non-metro location, it means those are customers who are in the technical terms in mutual fund industry called B30 locations, then you can get additional commissions beside the regular commission which you are going to get. So let me simplify these terms for you. There are two kinds of segregation of the geographies in India which SEBI in consultation with MP has done. So there are concept of T30 and B30. T30 stands for top 30 cities in terms of AUM, that is asset under management of the cities which they have garnered. And B30 cities are all those cities which have less business than the cities which are in top 30. So it is very simple. MP is going to create a list of all the cities and they are going to put all these cities into the descending order. Top will be the city which is having the highest AUM, and then they are going to bring it down, and the top 30 cities in terms of AUM they are going to call as and top 30 cities. Rest all cities in India are categorized as B30 cities or beyond 30 cities. The trick is, if you are going to get investments from those customers who are belonging to B30 locations, you are going to get higher commission. So this is the insight which you need to remember. And now let's dive into the detail. So the first thing what we need to understand is why you are going to get additional commission. So SEBI, if you look from the SEBI point of view, what SEBI says that, and they have analyzed the data and they have found out that only 16% of the total AUM of mutual fund industry is being garnered or coming from the B30 locations. So top 30 cities में सब सारा बिजनेस है और बाकी जगह इंडिया जो है वहां पे म्यूचुअल फंड का पेनिट्रेशन बहुत कम है. And to promote that and to create awareness among the customers in various parts of India where the penetration of mutual funds has been not so good, they have come up with an idea where they have given a leeway to mutual fund companies to charge additional expense to the fund if they are able to get some money from B30 locations. So if the mutual fund companies and the schemes of the mutual fund companies are getting more money, getting additional flow from B30 locations, so they can charge additional expense to the scheme. And what they are going to do with that additional expenses, they are going to distribute those additional expenses to distributors for incentivizing them, because they have garnered money from those locations where awareness of mutual funds are very low. So I'm going to share with you the list of those top 30 cities and where you can find out so that you can get an hands-on feel of that. I am going to leave the link of the list which will be keep on updated by MP every quarter, so you can download the latest list by clicking on that link. I am going to leave that link in the description. So the thing is, if you are mobilizing applications from those locations where or which has been categorized as B30, you are going to get commission which will be over and above the regular commission which you are going to get. So now we are clear on that SEBI has mandated that if you as a mutual fund distributor, you can be a distributor from any location. You may be from a metro location, you may be from a non-metro location or mutual fund industry firm, you may be from a T30 advisor or you may be a B30 advisor. Irrespective of that, if you are mobilizing business from a customer who belongs to a B30 location, that is beyond 30 location, then you are going to get additional commission from the regular commission which you are going to receive in case you are advising your client. So the benefit is, generally I have seen the ratio of, suppose in a regular commission which you are going to get is say 70 paisa, you may get 1.5-2% depending upon scheme, depending upon mutual fund company, additional commission. So 70 plus 1.5, we are talking about around 2.2% commission. So these all things we need to keep in mind if we are able to mobilize business from those people who have some linkage or who are residing in B30 locations, then we will be getting much better compensation for the effort which we are going to do. So this thing we need to keep in mind, and these are paid on the various applications from the various mutual fund company. So this is from the SEBI point of view, which I thought I'm going to share with you. Now let's talk about how what is the revenue the company is going to share. Now it will depend upon the scheme or the asset class in which you are mobilizing money. So in case in equity, the expense ratios can be little higher. In case of debt, the expense ratio will be little lower. More important part, these B30 additional incentives are given to a mutual fund distributor only for the first year. It is not a perpetual commission like the regular commission which you are going to get. The regular commission which you get in form of trail will be given to you till the money has been invested by the investor. But in B30 incentives which you are going to get, it will be only for the first year. So आज आपने कस्टमर का एप्लीकेशन दिया है और उसका एड्रेस जो है वो B30 लोकेशन का है, तो आपको जो कमीशन एडिशनल मिलेगा रेगुलर कमीशन के अलावा, वो आपको सिर्फ पहले साल के लिए मिलेगा. You are going to get that additional every month on a trail mode for the next 12 months. More importantly, if your customer withdraws the investment within first year time period, then whatever commission which you are going to receive as an additional benefit from the company, total additional benefit of B30 will be taken back by the company. Just understand this. If you are mobilizing any application and you are getting a regular commission of say 70 paisa and your customer withdraws money after 6 months, there will be no recovery of the commission for the 6 months commission which you have got. But in B30 incentives which you are getting, even though your customer is withdrawing money after 11 months, for the 11 months, whatever B30 incentive you have got, that will be taken away by the company. So आपको बहुत श्योर होना है कि आपका कस्टमर, अगर आप B30 लोकेशन के कस्टमर का इन्वेस्टमेंट करा रहे हैं, तो वो एटलीस्ट एग्जिट लोड पीरियड तक उसमें इन्वेस्टेड रहे. अगर वो एग्जिट लोड पीरियड से पहले निकालता है, तो आपको जो एडिशनल इंसेंटिव मिला है वो प्रो रेटा बेसिस पे जितना भी आपसे लिया, आपको दिया है, वो कंपनी वापस ले लेगी. So this is a insight which you need to keep in mind, and you then once you are clear that what kind of additional benefit which you get, now let's come to the most important part, which is what are the criteria which you should be mindful of. So the most important thing which you need to understand is, as I told you, irrespective of the advisor location, if advisor is from top 30 cities, say Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta, Any big cities, Bangalore, Hyderabad, any big cities, it is immaterial. It is not the address of the advisor, but the communication address of the client, which is going to determine whether you are going to get additional commission or not. सो आप किसी भी शहर के हो, आप मेट्रो शहर में रहते हो, आप नॉन मेट्रो शहर में रहते हो, आप टॉप 30 सिटीज में रहते हो, आप टॉप बियॉन्ड 30 सिटीज में रहते हो, आपको एडिशनल इंसेंटिव मिल सकता है अगर आपके क्लाइंट का कम्युनिकेशन एड्रेस जो है वो B30 लोकेशन का हो. So the criteria here is we are not talking about the client living address. We are talking about client communication address. So even though your client is living in Bombay, but the communication address of the client is from beyond 30 cities, then you are going to get additional commission. So this is the insight you need to start working upon. If your client is living in, say, Hyderabad, but his native is from, say, Guntur or other B30 location, then still you are going to get additional benefit of B30 location mobilization, because the incentive criteria looks at the communication address of the client. So अगर आप T30 लोकेशन में हैं, आपका क्लाइंट भी T30 लोकेशन में है, लेकिन अगर वो उसका जो कम्युनिकेशन एड्रेस है वो B30 लोकेशन का है, then you are going to receive additional commission. And how the companies or mutual fund companies are going to find out? They are going to find out from the KYC which the client has done. If the communication address in the KYC is of B30 location, then you are going to receive additional commission. So this is the great insight which you can work upon. I have seen most of the T30 mutual fund distributors, they think that they will not be able to get B30 additional incentives because they are living in T30 location. It doesn't work like that. If in case the communication address of your client in the KYC is of B30 location, then you are going to get additional benefit. Another important thing which you need to be remembering is these incentives or additional incentives are only applicable in case it is a retail application. And what is the definition of retail application? The definition of retail application is the application size should be less than 2 lakh rupees. So in case you are giving an application of 5 lakh rupees, then you are not going to receive that additional commission of B30. You are only going to receive the regular commission which the company is going to give you. So you need to keep in mind that in case you want to get additional incentive of B30 location, then the application size should be less than 2 lakh rupees. Okay, so that you can get eligible or you will be eligible for getting those incentives. Other important thing which you need to keep in mind is some of the metros have become so big that only the main area covered in the city is not under T30. There are some suburbs which will also be coming into T30. Like Mumbai, Delhi, where the area has become so large, in that parameters, we need to always keep in mind that only Mumbai pin codes will not be applicable or Delhi pin codes will not be applicable. There are some satellite cities, those cities are also will be combining for the T30 location purpose. So how to ascertain whether your client and communication address is from B30 location or T30 location? The simplest way is you need to download all the pin codes which AMFI has listed on their websites, which are going to be there in the T30 list. So if your client communication address has a pin code which is not there in that list, then you are eligible to get B30 incentive. So आपको क्या करना है, आपको एमपी के वेबसाइट से T30 लोकेशंस के पिन कोड को डाउनलोड करना है. अगर आपके कस्टमर का कम्युनिकेशन एड्रेस जो केवाईसी में है उसका पिन कोड उस लिस्ट में नहीं है तो आपको एडिशनल इंसेंटिव मिलेगा. I am going to leave the link so that you can download the pin codes of T30 locations in the description so that you guys can download and keep yourself updated. Because every quarter this list is going to be updated depending upon the business which these cities are going to mobilize. So I want you guys to get the source so that you can download at any point of time whenever the list is being updated. So this is a very good hack through which you will be able to get additional commission for the effort which you are making. These insights can help you in getting more revenue for the effort which you are going to put. In case you are looking to establish profitable mutual fund distribution business, then I would love you guys to join my 90 minutes free masterclass. In that masterclass, I am going to discuss with you how you can start a profitable mutual fund distribution business in 21 days or less. I would love to see in that live masterclass. I'm going to leave the link of the registration in the description. Do join me there live. And in case you love the content, in case you got some good input, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and I am going to see you next time. Thank you for watching.